Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Pixel and Frisket Finds. My name is Michelle and this is part 2 of a series called 4 Bags Full. And that's simply because it consisted of 4 bags full. So we've gone through one bag already. We're going to go through some of a bag today. I don't think we're going to get through the whole thing, but let's see what we can get done. I didn't notice this before, but it's got 3 pounds written on it. I don't know if it actually has 3 pounds or not, but it's pretty full. Okay, we're gonna try this angle because I think it'll be easier to show you the things. And I'm gonna remove my rings because they distract me. They must also distract you. But here is our first item. It is a brooch. It's got like a bone look to the rose, but it's kind of peachy on the back, like shell. So that confuses me a little bit. There's no mark or anything. Okay, let's dump a bit of this out here in front of me. So in here we have a little bag. And it's a scarf clip. It looks like we've got some verdigris there. But it's a pretty kind of rose plaque design. I think that's pretty. Okay, this is a weird one. Look at this. Those are tails. Those are little tails. I don't know what from, a mink maybe? Do you think they're mink tails? It's got like this velvety bow and it does have a clip on the back. It's weirding me out. They're very soft, petable. This is a whale tail, like a silver tone whale tail on a cord, and it slides, so I don't know what you'd put it on. You could put it on anything. You could put it on your luggage. Here's a wild pair of earrings. Look at these. They have like a fake snake skin texture, and well, it looks like a piece of, yeah, like mother of pearl, and they're pretty big, quite a large earring. Here's another funky pair. These are leather, two layers of leather wrapped earrings. Both of those are post earrings. And here's a necklace, gold tone and enamel with teal and purple and pink, sort of an enamel over the gold. 90s, I would say. It's given me 90s vibes anyway. But I kind of like that actually. Maybe I would wear that. That's an earring. Oh, I see the matcher. Let's get the match. Big tiger lily leather, molded leather post earrings. And those are quite large too, aren't they? Pretty big. They're in great shape though. Ooh, maybe I would wear those. Would I wear those? A watch. This is kind of pretty. It's like a multi-strap leather with some beads. There's a little like leaf charm. Snaps together. That's a cool look. I like that. Oh, and then this looks like it's a alternative face, perhaps. Interesting. Here's a little brooch. Just a clear rhinestone brooch. There's no name on it, but there is a spot for it to be a pendant as well as a brooch. Earrings. Oh, I got excited for 1 second there, but these are clacky clacky, making lots of noises. Look at these things. So I was getting immediate lunch at the Ritz vibes, but I can tell by the quality of it that it's not. But they're pretty cool. Look at, there's a big longhorn and a cowboy boot with a spur. There's this spiral, which I think is a nice addition. There's, what else is here? A pistol, and that's a saddle, right? Anyway, those are quite, they're quite the earrings. I don't like the theme as much, but I do like how insane they are. And this is for your hair. So it's all bedazzled and beautiful. It's got nice AB coating, and this is the back. It's on stretch cord. And, you know, it could have been a bracelet before, I suppose, but it's got these two baubles, like a hair bauble. So I think it's now meant to go like around a ponytail. This is a strange little pin. 2 hearts side by side. Looks like they could get engraved maybe, but it sticks out like this. Like there's a pin at the back, but it sticks out like this. So you're meant to put something in there, like pin it on, and what would you put, a flower through it maybe? I don't know. You tell me. Here's another brooch. It is a hat. A hat with a flower on it. Little rhinestones, but there's some missing. It does say gills. Does it say gills up there? Not sure. Not sure. Here's a little pair of earrings, just silver tone hoops. Oh, come on. Here's a pair of hoops as well. Just gold with like a gold wrap, chain wrap around the hoop. And here is a pin, safety pin style, I don't know, brooch, I guess, right? Like a kilt pin? That's what I associate that style of pin with, is a kilt. Here's a little pin, and it's leather. It's just a little leather pin. What is that shape? At first I thought it was maple leaf, and now, oh, I think it is with an E off to the side. I don't know, maybe it's something to do with Edmonton is what comes to mind for me right away. But here's a necklace. Little cat's eye pieces on there. I don't like these style of necklaces where the links are these solid little bars. It feels like a torture device to me. Here's a bracelet. It's like a faux hematite. It's plastic and lightweight. Well, we'll do this one first. This is just a little bead necklace, but tiny little black bicone beads. Very small. It's on wire, so it's got a nice shape. And it's got a nice little lobster clasp as well. Let's see if it's, can I see if it's 925 on the clasp? It is. Here's a pair of earrings with the sun. All right, there's a rhinestone necklace with clear rhinestones. It's got a butterfly design in the middle, which I think is unique. And it is a little fold over clasp. It looks vintage. Are we missing anything? No, but some of those stones look discolored to me right now anyway. Cute. Here's a gold tone chain. It's got a name over here. Sarah Coventry. That's a nice basic. It's got a good color of gold. This is another necklace on a chain, but look at this pendant. It's a little ball, a little glass ball, and inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see or not, inside of it there are two like dandelion fluffs, and there's a little tag hanging off of it that says wish. That's kind of cute. Here's a Christmas brooch. It looks like a sleigh with presents and different colored stones on all the presents. Adorable. Here's a pair of screwback earrings with cross-stitch little pansies. I like that. Very pretty little ornate border on it. Let's see if it says anything. No marks or anything there, but those are cute. Those are cute. Another Christmas brooch here with a holly berry. It looks like it could be a pendant, or maybe it had something that dangled from it, but it's definitely a brooch. There's a bracelet, faux pearl bracelet. It has a tag on it that says $5. Check the clasp for any metal. Nope, so just a faux pearl. Here's a tie clip with just like a little design engraving, kind of butterfly-ish there too. Ooh, more crazy earrings. Look at these. These are clip-ons this time, but they're leather again. Those are awesome. I like those. I like it. And here is another brooch, and it has a tag on it for $6, but this is kind of a cool design. I think that's kind of neat. It's hollow tubes, and it's made to look like they're linked together. On the back side, you can see all of the raw edges. It looks more like a bunch of macaroni. Let's see, what else can we pull? A double strand bead necklace. Sort of a citrine and onyx colored theme. Those are some pretty beads though. Oh, here we go. More porcelain. We've been getting, or in the first bag we had some seashells and another sort of abstract piece, and this is a beautiful purple butterfly. And is there any initials on this one? No. But it very much seems like it must have come from the same place. This one, little statement necklace, a contemporary piece, of course. Yes. But that's a nice bright orange and gold tone. Another brooch, clear rhinestone and silver. That's kind of a pretty leaf or blossom of some sort, hey? No name. This video, I know this video is whack, but it's the best I could do this week. It was either this or nothing, and I wasn't quite ready to do nothing. This is a nice bead necklace. It looked like malachite to me at first, but it's glass, just glass bead and pearl, real pearl, and it's got a barrel clasp like these at the end. I had to cancel my nail appointment on Friday, and now I can't go till Thursday, so that's the story there. Now, is this in a bag because it's broken? I hope not. No, it's not broken. Look at that. Wow. Huh. Wooden beads in this sort of barrel style, as well as the roundies in the middle. Color is pretty. It's actually really lightweight. Here's another faux hematite bracelet. It's plastic. Ew. Okay, this one's broken, but it's also creepy. Look at that, the holes. Anyone out there got trypophobia? Well, if these made you feel uneasy, then you do. That's you. Here's a brooch with something attached to it. There we go. Missing stones. No mark. Some sort of needlework in there. I don't know what that symbol's gonna mean, but it's like it would go on a bolo. Here's another leather. I thought it was earrings. They're all cracked and stuff, but they're actually like dress clips or shoe clip. Here's a pair of clip-ons. This faux pearl and gold rope kind of design. No marks on these either, but they're pretty fun to look at. They're pretty large and in charge. They're very, very plastic. I'm going to pull one more thing out, and that's going to be it for this episode. What we get is a brooch. A bow brooch with little rhinestones stuck all around it, kind of a woven style. Nice. That's our pile for today. It's going to take another episode to get through bag number 2, so this is bag number 2 of 4 bags full. Part 1, I guess. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, click subscribe down at the bottom, or is it this side? I don't know where it's at, but find the button, it says subscribe, and click it. And that way we can hang out again. I upload a new video every Sunday. Hopefully this one made it on there. It's my last ditch effort this week. So anyway, thanks for being here. I'll talk to you again soon.